Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl TJ. So today I'm here. We're about to install a wig today. So yeah, today's hair is from Nadula. I'm gonna go ahead and box it for you guys. This is like a little magnetic box. So yeah, so when you open it, y'all see the hair we got today. So yeah, you're gonna get your hair. Of course, package does come with an what is it, the elastic band where you can hook one to your unit just in case it is too big. But we are here with the star of the show. I'm gonna go ahead and take her out of the packaging. She is Brazilian hair. Have their 13x4 lace. It's a 24-inch. This is their strawberry honey blonde wig. This is what the unit's looking like. It came wrapped in its hairnet. As you guys can see, everything is nice and secured. I'm super excited about this unit because look, the hair is nice and soft and I can run my hands through it, y'all. Doesn't have a smell besides the normal standard smell, but this is the blonde patch, but this is called their strawberry blonde. What is it called? Their strawberry honey blonde hair. And I love this, and I love how it's fading and it's not looking like harsh and dramatic. They did a very good job on the blonde patch portion of it. Okay, so we about to slay this unit today. And this is the construction of it. As you guys can see, this is the lace. It does look tinted. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. It does look slightly tinted, but and inside, this is what we're working with. It has 2 combs on each side, comb at the nape, a drawstring. So, oh my gosh, y'all, look at y'all about not to play with me today. This is the construction of it. As you guys can see, this is what the lace is looking like. And it's like, the units be just so fire, okay? And she is so pretty. She's so pretty, okay? She's soft and silky, but we gotta get her on, okay? We gotta get her on. So I am gonna hop off camera real quick. Go ahead and put some foundation on this unit. All right, guys, and I did forget to mention that this came with the freaking part. Like, okay, that's pretty impressive to me because I'm the one who struggles with parts. Every time I be doing my part, y'all already know what the gag is. I be doing the most. Yeah, I noticed that this lace is just melting into my skin. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, as you guys can see, I did finish the entire unit. I am going to put my little scarf on to lay it down, and this is just going to help everything melt. Alright guys, so I've let it sit for a good 5 minutes, and this is what she's looking like. Super excited, y'all. This is so freaking cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, straighten her out. I love the density on this unit. I love it's not too thick or too thin, but look, sis, I didn't do no plucking to this. This is what I'm here for, okay? So this is the LA Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Fawn. I'm just gonna take a little bit down on my brush and put it in the part area so it can stand out a little bit more. So I'm gonna be a little bit light with my BioSilk. We're just gonna spray it around the hair perimeter on the inside just a little bit. And we're going to take a fine tooth comb and comb it through. This ensures that BioSilk is getting on all strands of their hair. Okay, y'all. Ah! I sat this comb right on my forehead. Like, who does that? Me. Luckily, I didn't push down on that. We're going to take a little edge brush and spray some 𝚘𝚘 on there. I said bleed. 𝚘𝚘, and just swoop-a-doop-doop these. This is what she's looking like so far. I went and put on my little fit for the house. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish up flattening on the hair, y'all. I'm super duper in love with this unit. Y'all, this unit is giving me all types of life right now. So, like I said, I am going to show you guys two styles with it being straight and also with it being curled. I love that this is a frontal and not a closure, because like this unit is too bomb just to be a freaking closure. Okay, so I'm glad that it is a frontal. You're able to style it how you like, and yeah, y'all, this was just so easy. Y'all, I didn't wash it, conditioner, or anything like that. This unit came the way it is, straight out the box. Definitely recommend it. No problems. I didn't have any problems with it tangling up on me, being this length. I did experience a few shedding with this unit, but it was nothing too major. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought of this unit. All information will be down in the description section below. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.